Hi folks, welcome to LEIGHTON Vans. I would just quickly like to walk around this T6 Transporter T32 long wheelbase in Indium Grey. So it's got the usual LV Sportline pack on, which consists of the LV Sportline splitter, which is available only to LEIGHTON Vans. You've also got the LED headlamps just there, which make a real difference to the van and obviously the lighting at night. You've got front parking sensors. As part of the LV Sportline pack, we've also fitted 20-inch alloy wheels, which on this model are the 20-inch Turismos. You've got the chrome sidebars and the chrome roof bars also as well. Now onto the interior. You've got two captain seats up front in the Bentley red stitch. So as you can see, it's nice quilted, really comfy seats with the red stitch. And this model has got the comfort dash. You've got heated front seats, sat navigation, it's got the comfort dash, reverse parking sensors, app connect, discover media and heated windscreen. So this model's also got twin electric doors, which can be operated on the key, by button or by touch. Now onto the interior of the rear, you've also got LED spotlights just up there. You've got the 2+1 Kombi seating, and you've also got two USB charging points at either side, so one on the near side, one on the off side, and a switch just there which operates the rear lights. Like so. Now to operate the twin electric door, as I mentioned earlier, it can be done on the key, which is just like so. So with this being the long wheelbase, there is 12-inch difference between the long wheelbase and the short. As part of the pack, we've also fitted the LV tailgate spoiler just there. This model's also got the LED tail lights, reverse parking sensors and a carbon effect bumper protector. Now with it being the tailgate version, it is also the electric tailgate, but you've also got rain cover, easy access for putting bikes in, and you've also got the two LED touch lights just there. Now to operate the lights in the rear, there is just a switch just there, and we've also sound deadened the rear. We've carpet insulated and sueded the rear. And you've got a factory Kombi floor with 6 anchor points. In a short wheelbase you do only get 4. And now we'll just show you how to close the electric tailgate. So it's just a button there, and that will take the tailgate down and latch it in completely. Now the vehicle has also got electric folding mirrors. Now for more stock, why not check out our website www.leightonvans.co.uk. We've got both new and used vehicles available, new vehicles available on the March registration. Thanks for viewing.